Good morning, chat. Good morning, everyone. Let's see what the markets have in store for us today. Asia sell side looks pretty clean if we're going to be bearish today. Let's go take a look at Futures Floor's channel. What is Futures Floor doing? Futures Floor. Oof, so many accounts.
Little lines. So I just have a short right now, but I'm not going to take it because I think based on the CVD, unless I see the CVD dumping, I think the longs are better. It's a good thing because the short lost money again. CVD is showing green. A little bit of green, a little bit of green sky just showed its base over there. So that's given me another reason to want to try and get into a long. wait for the green bar, wait for the high of that green bar to be taken out. That high was taken out. I like this one. Ah, no. I'm still hanging on though, because CVD is showing green. I trust the CVD, but I can get very hurt when the high breaks. If we get a green bar and the high breaks,
Trading out ever after this morning. I won't be with Mike, but this afternoon will be me, David, and Mike. Why? Where's Omnius? Omnius is not there today. Tell him if he's lonely and doesn't have anybody, he could join our Discord. Out for the rest of the week. Yeah, tell him he could join our Discord if he wants. Good morning, Dave.
Good morning, sir. Only thing I'm curious to see what we're gonna react from is this internal from 10 o'clock on the 1 hour. After we take that, I want to see if we're gonna start to form structure to go back up, or keep respecting bear structure and continue lower to fill the big hourly for value gap. and then even continue lower. Just took it now.
Good morning, James.
Well, and Q, look at that drop.
Yeah, no, what a drop.
Yes, just took that same 1 hour.
I don't know about you guys, but for that each
Bro. I hate when it picks up your phone.
Yeah, me too.
I don't know why it does that so much.
Yeah, pretty weird. I have no idea. I find it very bizarre.
Very nice dump and very big dump. When I saw the 8:30 news bullish, I thought low-key we would have a little retracement, maybe take out a little bit of sell side and continue to push up.
Yeah, I thought the same.
But I guess they use 8:30 to manipulate.
I thought the same.
And then on
I
open, we
thought
had
because
an
they
SMT between cycles as well.
That's a humongous drop.
Yeah.
Oh, who knows, bro? In these markets, you can reverse this before fucking 10:30. I'm just going to pee. I'll be back.
Yep.
Hey traders, we've got a rule change at top one.
Yeah, me neither. Trading ever after. I don't trade between 9:30 and 9:45 as well. I never touch it until 9:45. That's when I'll start trading. Not necessarily blow accounts. I think the efficiency or the hit rate between those times are a little bit less for especially my setups. Since it's a lot more erratic, I just would rather avoid it. Hello?
Hello?
I heard you were lonely.
I'm always lonely. I gotta pick up your audio. Give me a second.
Yeah, Martin, David's been kicking ass. He's been like Jason Bourne recently.
Who?
David,
Who's David?
I don't know.
Okay, now all I need is my camera. And we're good. Didn't take too long. Boom, boom, boom. And what did I say about my camera?
Yeah, I saw they
Oh, why?
lost 2-1.
You guys found a trade already?
No.
Oh, okay. No, because you said kicking ass. So I thought you guys found a trade already.
It's scary when you're on a long win streak though, because you're just expecting the next one to be a loss.
Yeah, I know. I hate that. Anytime I'm missing a lot of shorts. Create wealth. 510 next.
Sparky, come on. Come on your chair.
Hmm.
A lot of selling today, huh?
Yeah. Surprising.
Yeah, me too. I mean, David thought because of the 8:30 news was bullish, we might have probably had a little retrace and then we would have probably climbed back up, but we didn't do that. We just shredded through.
Mm. Mm.
Wow, we're just
Oh,
melting.
yeah. I'm melting. I'm melting.
How many points did we just drop? My goodness.
We open at 30,153.
Okay, I'm set up. Can I maintain the same level of energy that I had before, or I got to tone it down?
I don't know what that means.
I
Were you
was yelling and
yelling?
screaming. I
No.
was yelling. Yeah, no yelling and screaming. Hey, wait a minute. How come you guys set the rules? I'm the older. I'm the older gentleman in the house.
No yelling. It breaks my ears when you yell in the mic.
Okay, guys, this will be a serious stream. Anyways, I showed you guys what I do for scalping. When we do the $100 club, you're gonna get to see it all day long.
Oh, Martin, I
And you
don't
get
think I'm catching up. We're Thursday. I have 2 days, and I would have to be at least 5, 6 winners in a row. I don't think I'm reaching David.
What's the score?
I put David win streak 7, Alex 2.
Okay, that's for the week.
Bro, it's been I changed the week thing. The 7
Uh,
was a little bit longer than a week.
yeah, okay. That's cool. Whoa! Wow, take a look at the 5 minute, eh? What a dump off the open. I took a long. Come on, 80, 100, 116, 140. Out. I turned off my order filled.
How'd you do it? You turned it off on what? Tradeovate?
No, on Ninja Trader. No, I had it on when because Omnius doesn't like it. I love it. I love to hear order filled. It's like music to my ears. It's like playing a slot machine without having any bells or anything if you don't have order filled going.
I like it, but it's too loud on Tradeovate.
Yeah, but it bothers Omnius. Maybe it bothers a lot of people.
Yeah, it's because you think you're
Uh,
in a trade yourself, and you don't even know if it's coming from the other guy or you.
yeah, and especially with me, it's like every 7 seconds sometimes. So
Yeah, you would be annoying, yeah.
yeah, I could see how someone would get annoyed. Definitely. Okay, I'm gonna watch Martin's rule for the band bounce. I'm gonna write that in band filter. What's going on? Oh, no kidding. My bots have been disabled. I thought something was weird. I accidentally disabled the bot. Missed the winner over there. Missed the winner over here. Looks like it was all winners that I missed. It's too bad. C'est la vie. Okay, I have one account to get over 100. Which account is that? Boom. Where are you? Let's look for a really good trade. No. Out. 67 goes to 42.
Hey, we got Japan playing today, 7 o'clock
Come
p.m.
on,
Eastern
come on,
Time.
come on. There we go. So 67 went to 42 on the loss. So what did I lose? $25. And then I took another trade about an instant later, and the 67 went to 138. That's how I scalp it, ladies and gentlemen. No skills isn't in today. I'm going to continue now on my other computer.
On your other computer.
Yeah, laptop. What time? What time's Japan playing?
7:30.
Mm.
I think 7, not sure.
Yeah.
I'm gonna watch the game.
Yeah, 7 p.m. Eastern.
Yeah, 7 p.m. Sweden. It's a big game. They need to win it.
Oh, but they're still in. You're
Is
good.
Canada still in?
I think so, yeah.
Canada lost yesterday, but I don't know how they. I
No,
think
they're
so.
still
Yeah.
in. They're still in.
Order filled.
Yeah, Canada second. They did draw, win, loss, so they're fine. Cause Qatar, bro, they got like pretty much a decent group. They have Qatar who won't make it for shit, and we're tied with Bosnia. So,
What if a Qatarian player is listening? You just discouraged him.
well, they're done anyways. They know they're done. In 3 matches, they lost, and lost. I think.
Yeah.
Where is it? They did a draw, lost, and lost. They're done.
Mm.
Yeah. So right now, Japan technically needs a tie. A tie or a win would be nice, but at least a tie. Because if we lose to Sweden, we're going back down to third, and we got to fight in the 3 brackets versus probably better teams. So hopefully we win today.
2 green bars. Red bar. Look for a break of the low. Hard to see with the volume, but we broke the low. That's a short.
You're
David,
a short.
pull up chat. We got people talking to you.
In a minute, in a minute, in a minute. I'm in
No,
a
not you,
short.
Dave. Dave.
Out of that short. With a loss. I lost David in the house. What did I lose? I don't remember what I
Hey,
lost.
hey, hey.
Then I missed the next one. Wonderful. Because I have to open up chat. Who put that idea in my head?
You don't have to open up chat. Open up your chat. Read your chat.
I'm sorry, I had the ad there stuck there by accident. Probably everyone left. No, I'm going to open up your chat. I have my chat. No one's typing in my chat.
Okay, we're coming up to the daily low here, Alex. 29,264. That is the next huge level.
Do I have it marked off? Yeah, I do. Daily low. Was talking about here. Previous day's low. So what are we looking to sweep it and then go long, or how does it work?
You don't even necessarily need to, and Q doesn't because ES did. So maybe you can get an SMT and start to reverse.
Oh, so I could have gone long there.
Bro, I hate when he says shit like
No.
that. It actually
Yeah,
rage
you know
baits
what?
me.
You're right. You're right. I remember. Shut up. Keep it to myself.
He
It
rage
should, but it
baits me.
doesn't need to.
Keep it to myself. That was my one and only time.
Wait, what?
Fet back to me later, please. I don't know what that means. Fet back to me. Oh, get back to me later. Yeah, I will, AD. I think I saw that you I think I saw that you sent me something in Discord. I will. I'll take care of it later. Don't worry.
Guys, you guys are lucky you guys have Mike. He actually answers you and is active in the Discord all the time. You guys go in other Discords, when does the moderator or the person who created ever answer your questions?
Hmm. AD says no rush. Okay, I'll take care of it in August.
See you in 2030.
Remember, remember you said no rush. Okay, DNA trading. Oh my God, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What is wrong with me? Every morning it seems like my cold is worse.
You're cold?
Yeah, I mean
I
just a
thought for
little
a
bit. Listen
second
to
you
my voice, the way it's
I hear it. I thought you said for a second gold.
mm,
Oh, Mike, your cat just sort of puked.
No.
just a tiny bit of teaspoon, I know.
No, like a tablespoon of white saliva.
Yeah, it's the sauce that I give. It's the sauce.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Hey, TEA Martin. What are we at? 4? Let's get that up to 10. Yeah, no, we got to go to the vet. Post haste, I think.
Well, he's doing better though.
Yeah, he is, but still.
Give him an extra day or two. Like when we have
Mm,
gastro, you could throw up for 5 days, you know?
yeah. Not sure if it's that kind of throwing up, though.
I think she's getting damn near that low. $40.
Wow, crazy game tomorrow too. World Cup for Norway versus France tomorrow at 3 p.m. That's going to be a big game for both teams.
How
Norway
long does
has
this
Holland,
tournament
no?
last?
You guys both spoke at the same time, what?
Yeah, Norway has Holland, right?
Yeah, they're on a 2-win streak with France too. Bro, but France has been looking like a powerhouse. They look very good, France.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Okay. There's no edit on Twitter. Delete. Repost. Let me go check the Discord. I think it was Yep. Bad link. Start over.
What day is July 19? Anybody know?
What?
July 19 lands on what day?
I have no idea. Look it up. Just click your thing.
A Sunday. Okay. The final is on a Sunday. What time do they hold it at? 3
That
p.m.
was actually the question I was going to ask. How long does this go for?
It's gonna be done July 19. 3
Mm.
p.m. is the match.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the candles are huge.
Yeah.
My goodness, the average candle all here is like fucking 40 points almost. Some are huge, some are even more. 60-point candles, 106 points. My goodness. It's gonna be like 2 micro trades.
Mm.
2 micro is gonna make me risk like $500.
Any reason why Omnis is out or
Uh, yeah,
busy?
went away with his.
Took a
We
little
go
trip.
finally. Yeah, went away with his family. Yeah, that's so cute. Okay, that's one. Order. Look how much I do for you guys.
Us or your community?
Both.
Yeah, I know, but and I'm talking about in this instance, what is you talking about? What is you talking about right now?
You.
What you do for me, man?
Mm. Well, I think since I joined, I've been promoting the stream, but I made a mistake. I was sending people to the wrong video. So I have to go and delete them all. YouTube community, I listen to you. Twitter and Discord. Now I just got to go do the Discord one. Then I can get back to trading. I mean, Twitter. I know. Somehow I accidentally sent them all to a video of yours. But I fixed it. It'll never happen again.
Kidding.
You sure you don't want me to put it into FB?
What? No, no, no.
Okay. Get a lot of people. No, I mean, a lot of people, but
Don't no 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 no.
You know what I mean. It's all relative, right? And the one thing we're missing is music.
Wow, the candles are humongous.
Hmm. Yeah, who knows?
I just checked because if the candle at 10:06 would have closed off our value gap at 10:02, I would have had to go short. I saw 106 point stop. And then I was looking at the number and I'm like, does that make sense? Not even one micro.
Hmm.
0.9. I'm like, what?
Here, I'm gonna aggravate people. TEA, you watch UFC? That's fake. UFC is fake. No, I'm joking.
Everybody knows UFC is not fake.
But wrestling is.
WWE is, but bro, you still have to be a crazy athlete to do all of it, you know? Still hard to do.
Yeah, and I'm sure there's injuries. Seriously, serious injuries.
Yeah, trading ever after, we all know that. It really does. I think that's worse than knowing the draw and not finding a trade. Knowing the draw, entering, and then getting stopped out before the draw happens. I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna go get a coffee, okay?
Mm.
Mike, David, enjoy.
Um. So there was no trade there, I guess, while I was distracted. What am I at? 484 on my Bullinox. David is quiet. Uh, yeah, he spends his time. The bot just took a trade. Yeah, it did. Pow! I'll do it right in the kisser. Oh, but it actually took a loss. But it's still up 13.29, which is a little bit of an improvement from the morning. And we just got a retrace and a break of a high on the bullish candle. So you know what that means for me, right? Now let's get a push, but we're not really seeing anything exciting on the CVD. So I'm watching this one very carefully, and I got out and I just took a small piece there. I took a small piece on the price vibration. That was enough. It was neat watching all night. I followed a good winner. Way to go. You're not supposed to follow though. It took three. Yeah, I set it for three. Sometimes I set it for two. It depends on how it's doing. If it goes through a period of losing, I'll lower the size. But right now it's going through a nice strong period of winning. So I just chased along. Stupid. I'm
Oh,
out.
you're getting
Added.
quite a strong reversion.
Yep. Added $45 there, but I shouldn't have done that. If Omnis was around, I would have told him to play the donkey. Yep. Look at the ESA. Stronger
Mm.
move. And it's funny. ES was weaker because it took out the low, and now its move up is stronger.
Yeah, I told you, NQ doesn't have to take out the daily low. He didn't.
Mm.
ES took it. A lot
You
of
know
the
what?
times that happens.
Yeah. I'm going to mark up the
That's
charts.
that's why you never try to catch a short when you already came down so much and the other asset took the low.
Oh, okay.
I'll never chase shorts when you've come down already like 600 points. Bum bum be dum. Bum bum be dum bum.
I just made myself a nice cold vanilla iced coffee. Wow, we're ripping.
Mm. Yeah, we were talking about that. I was just saying that looks like ES is moving a little bit harder than it's not showing up, eh? The marker.
Wow, it's only 10:12.
Mm.
We did a lot in 30, 40 minutes.
Okay, yeah, I want to mark up the charts here so people know when I'm going back and forth and looking for divergence. They get an idea of which chart I'm looking at. So there we go. MES 5-minute chart. It's a little bit not in the world's best place, but I got other stuff there, so it's gonna be good enough. Because I'm not on that chart too often. In the meantime, a short trade was taken. We're at 1533. The confluence was good. Sure, as long as you make the trades your own. And besides, from what you spoke, it sounded like you were experienced enough to know how to make trades your own and how to justify and frame a trade. We took out the low of that after the retrace, so I'm short. Covered.
It's so funny when I hear I'm short covered.
Yeah. Well, I'm up 674 now in the Bullinox account since we
Bro, because it
started.
goes quick. These candles are so big, and that's Renko
Yeah,
is
no.
7 points. Like, you don't even have time to enter. Or you go for a better price, but by the time you click for a better price, you're already supposed to be out.
Yeah, I know. Eh?
You almost have to
It's
front run it,
crazy. It's
but you can't.
crazy. Well, yesterday I did an experiment on my Bullinox account. I just said, you know what, scalp low size all day. I got it to $3,000. That was pretty impressive on small size without having to increase. You know, I'm learning still. I'm still learning sizing on this because I'm an oversizer and I get hurt. I mean, you guys seen it hundreds of times already. Sometimes I lose my shit. There we got a band bounce. There's Martin's red candle. Let's take it from Martin. We got the red candle. Covered a half. A little bit more. Covered the other half. There you go. 771. You know what? I think I'll just call out those trades, the band bounces. And maybe after the bot goes long or short, if there's a retrace and an opportunity to get in a better price. In the meantime, so what do we talk about? What'd you guys do yesterday?
We had a little house party.
We drank, we ate, we drank.
Oh, yeah, it's true. I remember now. Yeah. What time did you guys come home?
Not late. What was it,
Well, we were there at like
11:30?
3:30, so we
10:30?
left. Yeah, I think I left
10:30.
there around 10:30. Yeah, I was tired.
Yeah, we were there since like 3:30. We were there a while.
Okay. Let's make sure this link is working.
Look how we tapped
And
the
bounce.
50% range. Mike, you know what you should look into? Take 30-minute cycles and look at the 50% of it.
Oh yeah.
And
Obviously
find
from
your
8 to
probabilities on
8:30.
how many. Yeah, yeah. 8:30 to 9, 9 to 9:30, 9:30 to 10, 10 to 10:30. Look how many times we hit 50% of that range. Look how many times we bounce off it. Since you're a scalper, I'm sure you'd love it.
Yeah. Okay, bot's gonna take a loser. Good. I got distracted. I
I
might
haven't
have
had a
been.
trade in a while.
Yeah. That's funny. DEA. I don't understand the comment too much because there is a typo in there, I'm thinking. I think I am down counter. Either you're into counter trading me or you're done counter trading.
Every time you say TEA, it sounds like DEA.
Yeah.
What does DEA stand for again?
Drug
Enforcement
Enforcement
agency.
Agency.
Well, he took 3 minutes to tell you that. Bro, that was a 90 over a 90-point candle.
So crazy.
Oh my goodness.
You can get hurt if you don't get out quick. Thanks for telling
That's
me that.
insane.
But either word, just the fact that you have counter trading in there, I don't know. I don't think counter trading's a good idea too much.
Either
Like
word or either way?
either,
Uh,
either, either way, either word, whatever. Except for that move there where we swept the previous day's low. At those opportunities, yeah. But just to try and catch the how many people were trying to catch the bottom on that dump from 30,200 all the way down to 29,300?
it's not good to try
I
to
think
catch the bottom. Because
no.
on
I
days that
mean,
you'll get burned like 8 times for your right once.
that's it. You
And
lose,
most
you
of the
lose, you
time, it
lose.
doesn't even come back around 10 o'clock. It comes back like 11:30. I find like those days that we just crash, most of the time we revert like late in the AM, and it catches people all day. But like David
Yeah,
said, we didn't take previous day low on NQ, so we could have reverted right there on the 10 o'clock area.
you can only be right once. That's why I like going trend trading and scalping with the trend. Boy, those days when I scalp counter trend, I get my ass handed to me till I finally learn my lesson. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Well, definitely looking for a long. Ooh, get out, get out. It's some easy pickings today. You know, even though it's erratic price action, when you get in, the continuation is like 20 points. You almost can't be wrong. Just make sure you got your hand on the close button in case you get stopped out.
Close button. You should have a stop before Trump has a tweet
Yeah,
and you get a 250-point candle against you.
yeah.
And you go, oh shit, my account's gone.
Oh shit. Yeah,
Oh
that's
shit.
happened. I can't say, I would be lying if I said that's never happened. Was the pool opened yesterday for swimming?
Yeah, I didn't go swimming, me.
Anybody went in? I don't remember. I beat
Yeah, a couple
low.
people. I think 5, 6 people. She said it was at 88, but felt like 78.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. We're going to watch Martin's IB trade. So when the initial balance forms, we're going to see where it closes. And if it closes in the bottom half, we'll be targeting the low. If it closes in the top half, we'll be targeting the high. I think at this point, what I'm seeing, you know what? I'm not even sure what I'm more comfortable targeting right now. I'm not going to make a prediction. I need that mucus suction pump me and Omnis have been talking about. It's crazy, though. No other symptoms of being sick. Just that. You need to do it yourself. Sorry.
What are you talking about?
I can't do it for others.
Do what?
No, nothing. I'm just answering some guy's message.
Out loud.
Yeah, why not?
Oh, okay, like somebody who wrote in your chat.
No, email. So what fun games should I be? Which should I be looking out for between who and who? I mean, good competitive games, not Japan because you're watching them because you just like them, you know?
But Japan is good though.
Japan
Oh
is
yeah?
good. Yeah,
Yeah, they're
they're
like
actually not
top
bad at all.
15 teams.
No
There's like
kidding.
65 teams.
Yeah, they know they came in at 48 teams and they were like top 15.
Who's the favorite to win?
I think France.
No kidding.
France, Spain, England. I'll tell you, let me go check right now.
Not
And
Argentina.
who's on France that we should be aware? Is Mbappe on France? Is that it?
Mbappé.
Ah, there you
Kylian.
go.
Oh, il est marrant le Kylian.
Okay, I'm gonna
Let's
watch
go
the France
check.
games.
It's fun to watch. They're very good together too. Yeah, France right now is favorite. It's France and then Spain, Argentina, England, Portugal, Brazil, Germany, Netherlands, USA,
Mm,
Norway, Mexico, Japan. I'll stop at Japan.
gotta fix the channels.
See, so Japan right now is 12th out of every team remaining. Not bad at all.
Yeah, but I think there's a lot of teams remaining, no?
They're more favorited than Colombia and Belgium.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
How many? Portugal!
Portugal is fifth now, favorited to win. Before they were like eighth,
Messi.
ninth. After last game, now they dropped down like crazy to fifth,
Where's Argentina?
fourth, third. It's France, Spain, Argentina, top three. I don't know how England is fourth, bro. I watched their games. Like, bro, I see nothing special with England. Nothing special.
I heard Holland could have played with England, but he chose Norway.
Oh yeah, well, bro, he's from Norway more than England. That guy looks like a Viking,
Yeah, he does.
and he likes his people from there too. So
Guys, click the link that I'm putting up there in the chat. Go hang out in Alex and David's. Go hang out in the Alex and David's room. Don't need you here. Unless you guys are watching the bot. It'd be cool if you can pull in just a small little corner and you could put up the bot, Al. You know, like I do a share screen in Discord, and you just put it in your bottom left corner, like the size, maybe not this, the size of your camera.
not only do I not know how to do that, I'm not pulling up screens right now and trying to figure it out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you for the laugh there, TA.
He says a long while in red, and then he's busting my balls. It's easier today, lol.
No, I only said that because I'm sending people over, but I know some people are watching the bot. So I said if they can have the best of both worlds, you know, watch the bot on your, you know, have it in a small corner, but still get the hangout. This volatility is a little dangerous, but AD. But I don't know. I've been getting lucky and not getting hurt. Sometimes I get hurt in this volatility. I guess it's not high enough. Oof, I don't know how I could say that because the ATR, the average range of the 1 minute candles right now is 74 points. That's insane. Not the highest I've ever seen it, but that's insane. Took a small short at, wish I knew where the price is.
Took a
Oh,
small short.
87.50.
Out,
87,
out, out.
77.68. Out, yeah, 20 points. What do you want? It's 20
Out,
points.
out, get out of here. Get the fuck out of here. Get out. I'm in. Get out.
Yeah,
I'm back in.
no,
Get out.
that was everything. That was the band bounce. That was the retrace continuation with the low being broken. That had everything. Renko's also set short, so
I really think we're gonna end up going long, but I don't know how fast we're gonna get it. We could play in here for a while and then start to move up around 11:30.
what is this bot? Alex, what is this bot? You want to know what the bot is? Give me a second. You have to listen to the full story, though, Patrick.
Oh no, story time.
The full story. No, you guys won't hear it.
What you mean you killed the phantom?
I gotta start stretching. I'm so stiff. Do 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 do.
So if you listen, there you go. It's a secret underground project between me and Martin, or Martin and me. And you know, if you want to know more about the bot, you got to talk to Martin. Guys, just send DMs out to Martin. He'll let you know. We're trading Angry Ace version 2. There's version 3, version 4, and version 5 is going to be built out into the. I know. How do you have so many versions? Guys, they all do well. Version 3 does better than. No, this is version 3. Sorry. Version 2 does a lot better than version 3 most of the times.
Wow, you have so many virgins.
Yeah, I have so many versions. Version number 4 We were supposed to put together a
I don't even know how you guys like that. All about the same thing of
virgins.
strategy 1, strategy 2, strategy 3. This is number 4. This is number 5. This is number 6.
Ah,
The
I
fuck
know
is
you could
that?
say that. It's called diversification. When one doesn't do well, the other one does well. You know, today I'm all green, but sometimes I have some reds, and the other ones balance it out. They're not all based on the same theory. 2 and 3 is, 4 is completely different, and 5 is going to be based on the pre-market trade. They're just called Angry Ace, but it's going to be the pre-market trade. We're going to build that out, guys, in the Discord. We have a coding class, and we
Ever
had
since you left
lesson
me, more money, more cars, more hoes.
we had lesson number 1 last week. Lesson number 2 will be this week on Saturday. Go sign up in the Discord. They're free. It's not coding. It's just using Strategy Builder. You don't have to know any coding at all. And once we go through all the most of the basics and some intermediate stuff, we're going to code out Angry Ace version 5. And at least everyone will know how to use it and will know what the inputs. So I'd kind of like to offer these things, but I can't because there's going to be too many people who don't read and don't know how to set the inputs, and then they're going to complain, and then I have to hold their hand and do customer support. I don't want to go through all that. I don't have the time to handhold 200 people. But if you come to the classes and you learn how to build it and you know intimately what the inputs do, now I can trust you to have it. So, story time. Make me laugh. I don't know. I'm doing a lot of talking here. These guys are quiet. They're even quieter than Omnius.
We're typing in chat. Well, you're talking. What do you mean to talk over you?
Yeah,
Talking about virgins. Like, what?
that's right. Join DNA. Give them a like and a sub. A basket of
Oh,
strats. There's nothing wrong with a basket of strats.
No, but I just find when you have too many, you're gonna get so lost and confused, and then you'll be taking trades back and forth, and you never have like that, what do you call? You can't master like 19 strategies.
No, and it's very hard.
You need to
So
have
what I
like
recommend,
10, and you're gonna
yeah,
take 3 on your basket of accounts, or 3 of them are gonna go on a losing streak, and you're gonna eat shit. I'm
yeah.
so
What the
against
best,
that. I don't know why. For me, bro,
yeah.
you get yourself 1, 2, 3 strategies and stick to it.
Well, here's the danger. No, I wouldn't do more than 3. I would get lost.
That's what I said.
Number
I
one.
said 1, 2, or 3.
But I also put them on separate accounts. I'll never have 2 running on the same account
Yeah, me neither.
unless because if they hedge, you're screwed. So Angry Ace version 2 and version 3 are extremely similar. They wouldn't hedge because they both take the entry at the same time, at the same place. It's just how they exit. One takes a full profit, the other one takes a profit and lets it ride. So there's no problem. There's no hedging there. But anything else, yeah, no, you can't take the risk for hedging. Screw uh, okay, stop making fun of me. Oh my God, I read that wrong. I didn't get to pick on my father when I was growing up. That's how I read it. Okay, guys, you get even more bonus if you go check out my kids' stream. You get to see them making fun of me. Click the link. Click the sub. People that are there are smart. TEAAD. Martin. Because they know how I operate. You do for me, I do for you.
oh,
Smooth
you did. Yeah.
operator.
Once we start,
Mike's a
once we
smooth operator.
once we start up with the giveaway games next week, and we're gonna have some new good stuff. We still have that Tradeify no activation account to give away. You scratch my back, I scratch your back. I give extra entries. If you guys are wondering why some people get extra entries and you don't, it's because they're nice to me. I ask them to go visit my son's stream and they go. They sub, they talk, they hang out there, they say hello. I'm watching. There you go. How's it going? Shivara, nice to see you. Go check out my son's stream. Sub, like, chat over there. Extra balls next week during the giveaways. TEA's got his own. All he has to say is, what is it? Mountain oysters? Martin says, hello, Melody. Everybody's got their own little thing. Participate, guys.
Participation is key.
Oh, and hit the like button, for God's sakes. Are
Smash
we
it.
adding floor?
Stomp on it.
Floor's boring.
Bop it to start.
He's being beaten up by his twin. The only one being beaten up on their stream is me.
That was a good game when it came out. Bop it to start. Bop it. Twist it. Pull it.
It's because you're an easy target. The elderly is an easy target.
Hello. Seriously, after that big speech I
Making
give
fun
you,
of the elderly is like stealing candy from a baby. It's in the same category.
after that, we're short. We're short.
Yeah, what are you gonna do about it? Arthritis?
Yeah. I'm trying to get my mouse to work. There's a short here.
What are you gonna do about it? Arthritis.
Don't stand up too quick, you might pull a hammy.
Let's go. There's one. Taking a partial.
Smooth operator.
And got the other piece out. Another $109. I'm a smooth operator. After that big speech, Shivar, you say hello? Let's go, Shivar. Click the link. You can do it.
I hate oysters.
Mountain oysters. No, these are mountain oysters.
What's the difference?
I have no idea. You'd have to ask TA.
I might get a SMT short here if NQ takes out this high and ES doesn't, even though it's a huge bullish candle.
Could you repeat exactly what you said?
I might have an
Unless if I missed
SMT
something.
trade short.
Ah, okay. I was going to say, I didn't know if the direction was in there. Can I ask you to explain what you're seeing?
What am I seeing? Three highs are the exact same. So if NQ takes it and ES doesn't, I would have
On
to
what
be
time for
going
1
short.
minute, eh?
Always 1 minute, sir.
Yeah, I always forget.
I'm really staying patient, man.
This on. Got to check as I keep closing it. Oh, my P&L tracker. It's at 111. Actually, it's 138. I can make an adjustment there. Look just under the Discord sign. 1, 2, 3. Droop. I love that little thing. Okay, I made my daily goals for the $100 club.
No trade for me now, it's different highs. Smooth operator.
If any of you guys are interested in joining the $100 club, I will, and you're in the mood to have fun with that little P&L tracker, you put it up for the account you're trading. And as you, let's say here, you make your first $40.
Wait, show me. What do you have? You have a P&L tracker? Show me.
Yeah, it's kind of, I mean, you're looking at the top of my screen?
Yeah, I'm looking.
Okay, so you start off the morning, you're at 0. And let's say on your first trade, you make $42.
Ah, okay, I see.
Yeah, so you got a little visual thing as you're trying to make your goal. Then when you make your goal, you're at 115. There you go, you're at 100%. Then you start your other account. So it's just a little bit of a fun toy. Doesn't help you trade or anything, but I like seeing it. It's fun. I
Yeah, it's
like
cool to
putting
have.
it. So I'll make that an executable. At first I said I was going to give it to you guys, then I realized I built it out of Python. But no, I can turn it into a little executable. So yeah, we'll get that out to you guys that are in the $100 club. Go into Discord and read what it's about. It's free to join. The goal is to make $100 across 3 accounts and then stop. Set a PDLL and have access to 4 experienced traders, me, Omnius, Alex, and David, to share with you what's working. Also, whoever else in the community of the $100 club is doing well, they should share what they're doing. Everyone should be sharing their results, whether good or bad, so we can try and guide all of you. And the goal is to get everyone making $100 across 3 accounts. And then once you get comfortable and you see it works, you can scale it to 5 accounts, 8 accounts, 10 accounts. I know Roderick trades, the guy I know trades the most accounts. He's up to 90 some odd accounts trying to make $50 a day. That's $4,500 a day. Trading 1 lots only. Absolutely no stress because it's a 1 lot. So if you guys are interested in joining, go to the Discord, sign up to the $100 club. Like I said, it's free to join. But I do expect people to start with, look, everyone can do what they want to do. I'm not forcing anyone to do anything. But if you start with an account that's at like $1,500 or $700 in
If
loss,
NQ closes at the 600 area, I'm gonna go long just for a 15-point stop. Depends where we are here. I'll go for a quick
Order filled.
scalp here.
It's insane. The candles are huge.
Yeah,
Order filled.
that was a loser.
you,
It's okay, I
you,
go for a quick scalp.
Yeah, but you
you,
can't do that when the candles are 80-point large. It doesn't make sense.
Bro, it makes sense. I have 3 years of data, bro. I tell you, stop telling me what I can't do.
I didn't say you can't do it. I said you shouldn't. You should change your, like, have a bigger stop when the candles are 90-point large.
I can't. I told you I need the SMT to hold. So it's a tight stop.
oh, TEA, it's rare that my numbers look like that. I've had major collisions. If you look at previous streams and stuff, my boys can attest to that.
What do you mean major collisions?
Major red days where 7 of those accounts are down 1,500, 1,100, minus $10,000 days. I've had those days. I'm just working to try not to have those days anymore. It's so hard. It's such a personal internal battle. I don't know. Some people, maybe it's easy for some people. It's not easy for me. I just don't have the patience to wait for the proper setup. It's like, okay, in the meantime, while I'm waiting, what can I do? What button can I click?
I don't have the patience.
And Oliver Velez said something. He said, not every price move is yours. Let him go. And it's so right. It's just like you don't swing at every ball that gets pitched at you when you're in baseball. You look like an idiot. Mm. Come on, guys. It's not a big room, but we still have 37 of you in here. Click the link. That's DNA Trading, my twin boys.
It's all right, man. Don't
Their,
worry.
set, their setups are completely different than mine. They trade completely differently. Self-taught.
Look at you smiling.
What?
So happy.
I'm sure. I'm proud of my boys. What father isn't? Oh, wait a minute. Maybe we shouldn't tell people I'm your father. I'm not their father.
He not my dad.
Look, the truth is, they were in a foster home. I decided to give them a foster family. They looked so sad. They were like behind this gate saying, pick me, pick me.
Behind
I
this
said,
gate.
okay, I'm only going to give you one meal. You guys are going to have to share it. And they agreed, even though they were 2 years old. That's the truth. Okay, let's wait for a Martin bar. Martin gives some good ideas here. Oh, we forgot about the, what do you call it? Well and perfect. We forgot about the IB trade. So far, I'm not in. What is the ATR? 51? 51 point average range on the 1 minute candles. There you go. Martin, maybe you saved me a trade. I didn't enter in short yet. Oh, there we go. Now I have to enter. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. That's not a good trade. I'm out. Look at the CVD. Sorry, I didn't see that. I don't even think I got hurt, but I don't even care if this trade makes money. With a CVD like that, I'm looking for longs. My bias has shifted. Oh my God, look at that. Just get in. It's screaming higher. Yeah, the CVD gives you 1 or 2 seconds heads up when there's going to be a big move when you see exactly what you saw. It's 10:49:02. Go back to 10:48:30, and guys, watch that on replay a few times. Watch how the CVD calls the move. Look at the size of the move in the CVD, and look at how down below in the 1,000 volume we were trading lower by about 10 or 15 points. Doesn't work all the time, but it works very often, and that's a glorious trade, calling a big move, not just like it's calling a burst. Maybe I'll make a short. Let me write that down. That's a good short to have for
Oh
you
my
guys.
goodness, it's testing my patience. A strong move down and now just sideways movement. So it's important to learn not to sit on your hands.
Yeah, I'm surprised Omnius didn't show up for a bit just to say hi.
Trading at Rafter Road. I hear you, Dave.
Oh, he's just taking some time off, 2 days. Recharges batteries with his family.
I hear you, Dave.
I hear you, Dave.
I see you. You see me.
What?
What?
It's good to take some time off.
Yeah, sometimes it feels good. Yeah, of course.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, not two. My bad. Ah, because it's a win streak. So I was on a win streak, not down two. I'm not calculating my R. I was just putting the win streak, and since I took a little loser, my win streak of two is gone. So I'm back at 0.
Shit, really? Hmm. You know what? I should be taking a 1 lot and letting it ride. This kind of volatility. It's hard to lose. Martin, did you get an entry for the IB? Targeting the IB low? I don't even know. Again, I know you told me a bunch of times, but I don't remember what you're looking for the entry. Anyways, we'll turn that into, if we think it's worth it, we'll turn that into Angry A6. I'll break even. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Slow down there. Mr. Markets. Yeah, took out a little over there. I'll keep posting. I'll beat it into your heads.
Alex, you're probably looking if I would take that trade.
You're talking about the one at 1048?
No, 1052. Like, no, I don't like how NQ is moving. We're right at 50% of the full daily range.
And it's
We're in a
humongous
new
too.
day or new week opening balance here. It's not my favorite. It could still work, but it's not my favorite place to take a trade in. And ES is much higher. It's probably like a B setup, but I'd rather wait for something I really like. It jumps in my face. So I wait.
This closes right below the green body, but a little bit away from the fair value gap. I'm going to take it short. If it closes near the fair value gap, I won't take it at all.
Yeah, I'm low-key happy I stayed out of that one already 3 minutes and it didn't really move. I like when they go over, they're fast in my direction.
Okay, let's work on the lower account there. 2 lots. CVD going down. Broke the swing low on the CVD. Price didn't break though. I'll watch the short that the bot's gonna take. Maybe, potentially, short soon. The CVD, it really looks like it's gonna take it though. I got in early like a dummy. Even though it worked out, getting in early is not mathematically correct. I've mentioned that many, many times.
No, it's no bueno.
If you run the numbers, it never does any good. I still would have hit my profit target if I didn't get in early. And I risk taking a losing trade when the system doesn't even take a trade. So, I'm not a hero in that trade. See, like I said, I still make mistakes daily. So it's crazy. You know not to do them, but you do them. At least me, I don't mean you, I mean me. Martin, you sure you still want help?
Well, Alex, you see that loss I avoided just from instinct?
Yes, sir.
So it's important to stay patient, bro, and just not pull the trigger on everything and read price well.
Yeah, no, but that's why I took my SMT trade because if that we've been forming higher higher lows for the last like hour. So I was expecting maybe us to have an SMT here and to continue pushing up. Smooth operator.
Oh, I missed that.
Yeah. I don't know, I just didn't like where we were. I mean, closing in a new week opening, but I think that's a new week, right? Is it?
I'm curious, does anybody know if MFFU still has their 15-second scalping rule?
No, it's Tuesday's opening gap and half of the daily range. Yeah, it's not the best place to take a long, especially not right out of a small consolidation. I avoided myself a nice loss. I'm happy. That's the way. I like it.
Here's another case. Just a little too, or no, too early, too late. I was gonna say another case when the CBD is not going up, and we're having a little bit of a pullback, but it started to go up, so that one didn't count. The end, we did dump, but that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for right here. We're up from 10 all the way up to 45, and the CVD is still all red. That's a short for me.
You're short for me.
Yeah, you're short. Now we got green. So I get out. As soon as I see just a little poke of green, when I'm looking for short, I get out. But if I don't see that poke of green, it gives me confidence. Gives me a free trade, in my opinion, on a pullback. Because it's showing even though we're going the opposite direction, the money's still coming out of the market.
You're still money coming out of the market. uh,
Mm-hmm. 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 Order filled.
I don't hear your order filled.
No, it's just in my headphones, but I'm taking the trade. I think the bot's going to have a winner here because CVD looks strong. So often I'm wrong on these though, and I get a full bot loss. But I like what I see everywhere. So It's crazy how often I do this and I'm wrong. I'm watching. I'll add to it. CVD still strong. We just need to see a green bar now. And then break the high of that green bar. And then it's all systems go. Come on, break the high. There we go. There we go. Push, 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 push. There we go.
I just got a request timeout error. What?
Request timeout error? That's weird.
I don't even know what that is on TradeAbit. Never seen that before.
Maybe you entered in a couple of requests too quickly back to back. That's the only thing I
No,
can
I
think
never
of.
do that. I had no orders and I don't know, weird. Whatever.
How's the weather today? Let's take a look.
That means you suck, Lol.
TEA, when did you become so funny?
Request timeout error.
Hey, Rumo! Rumo short, NQ, 29,731. He makes good calls, Rumo. A little late.
What is that? It gave it to me again. Here, let's Google it. It says your platform failed to communicate with the servers, often because you have exceeded request limits or experienced connective issues. Connective issues.
Except the price, Martin. The price changes. So he just has kind of like a template. But his calls are not bad. His calls are not bad. The only thing is he's missing information. He doesn't tell us what the TP is and what the stop is. So, it can actually go to the stop. So that's no good because it can go to the stop and then go to TP and he can say, look, I was right because we didn't know what the stop was. So it's lacking a little bit of information. But anyways, it's okay. We're not supposed to copy anyone's trades anyways. We can just look and see if he sees something and if it could fit into our plan.
Why does it keep giving me that error?
I don't know.
Bro, I get so nervous when weird shit like this happens.
I know. Because you don't have the confidence now to take a trade. You don't know if you're going to get
Yeah, I don't know.
shoved from
Yeah,
exiting it
exactly. And
or...
these are funded accounts. I don't have room for stupid weird shit, but I'm not in a trade. I re-clicked exit cancel all. It doesn't show I have anything on anything. And I didn't hear an order filled, so there shouldn't be anything anywhere. You think he gave it to me because I clicked the button exit all at market too many times? I don't know. Very weird. Maybe connective issues, I don't know. But I doubt it. I'm connected to LAN.
So what do we got going here? Guys, if you want to help support the channel and you plan on picking up some accounts, Apex, I think it's 92 or 93% off if you pick up a 5-pack on the accounts, because you get the 90% off, and then you get one for free. So you pay for 4, you get one for free. If you buy 1, it's 90% off. If you buy 2, it's 90% off. If you buy 5, they only charge you 90% off for 4 of them. The other 5th one is free. That's a pretty good opportunity. That's why I put up in my poll here, which offer do you think is the best one that'll give you the biggest opportunity to make money? Personally, like you guys voted there, 60% I see. Yeah, definitely the Apex 5-pack is a great deal. But so is the Bullinox, just to let you know, because it's 90% off recurring, eh? So if you're a little short, by the time the end of the month comes, the next month gets rebilled at 90% off. You don't have to ask for it, no nothing. It's automatically built in. And of course, Tradeify. Tradeify is always a great option. It's pretty much exactly like Lucid. I think those two have identical offerings. So if you like Lucid, obviously take a look at Tradeify. If I'm not mistaken, I'll say allegedly. Also, if I'm not mistaken, allegedly, I think Tradeify came up even before Lucid. So Lucid's kind of copying, allegedly. I think I may be mistaken, the ideas of Tradeify. I don't want to say anything false. I'm just going by what I kind of think and feel from what I've seen happening. Anybody know any different can correct me. But yeah, if you're going to pick up an account and don't want to just sit on the sidelines, you want to help support the channel, it's greatly appreciated if you can use code FLOOR. We try to provide you with entertainment, knowledge, entertainment,
Jokes, entertainment, jokes, entertainment.
jokes, entertainment.
Allegedly.
Allegedly, alleged sarcasm. TEA's getting funnier.
Allegedly.
Allegedly.
Mm-hmm. I was going to click the button, but that would have been a FOMO trade. Oh, we had a nice band bounce trade over there. Missed it. You can still get in. Oh, no. I made money on this, but I don't like what CVD's doing. Definitely not for a sloppy entry. CVD's doing that. A little bit of an upslope, and I'm shorting. No, you better get a primo entry, not a sloppy entry. You know, this price action reminds me of what happened last night. There was a huge move in like the first few minutes, and then it went kind of quiet. I don't know how many. You guys? Oh yeah, it's true. You guys don't look too much at the 6 o'clock open.
No.
I have it on my chart.
Yeah, but for you guys that are scalpers, you should take a look at the 6 o'clock open. Lately, it's been phenomenal and smooth. I mean, you just wait for the first candle, even for half of it to form, and then just jump in.
Oh, very slow price action.
What a candle.
Wow, nice. Fuck, I was short and I didn't take advantage of it. I was accumulating on the band bounce, allowing it to stop me out if it did by going over the bands, but I got out earlier. Oh well. Still chipping away, though. Chip and chase. So watch the CVD here on this pull-up. CVD doesn't do anything. No, that's it. Forget it. That was too much. That's not what I'm looking for. For the what I call the free trade.
These candles are actually huge.
What do we got on the ATR right now? 50. Yeah, 50 is danger. Anything over 40, 45 is danger for most traders. Who was it that was kind of active with me when we were having the 100-point bars? Was that you, Al, sitting beside me, or was that already
Maybe me, I
when?
don't know. I remember I had some crazy days with you also, so
100-point average bars. That was insane. Average
yeah, it
range,
was
the
April.
daily.
I think April of 2025.
Yeah,
Five
I
or
think it was
four, one
when
of them.
Trump was elected or whatever, got into office. I don't remember what
I
year,
just remember in my
2024.
backtesting 1 month in April, every bar was like 100 points, 90
Yeah,
points, 120 points. I'm like, bro, what is that? The average bar was I think 70 to 110 points all of the month of April.
yeah, and I think the daily range was like 1,200 or 1,500.
Yeah, every day.
Okay, Dave, if you're still there, I'm going to answer your messages. Mike, do we have a take profit trader code? No TPT code. They don't want us. We're not good enough for them. And what firm are we using for the $100 club? Well, I'm going to open my mouth finally about the $100 club and what firm we're going to use. We're going to be using Funded Seat because, like I said, the contracts are signed already. We're just waiting for the ink to dry. They're just working on the back end to set up the deal. Remember what I told you? It's an exclusive deal, that they need to set up. Nobody else has it. It's not on their website. It's not an advertised deal. Big Daddy Max isn't going to have it. Patrick Whelan's not going to have it. Methodical Man, Luna's not going to have it. The guy with the funny voice, I could never remember his name. Sounds like Kermit the Frog. Nutty Bar.
Oh,
There we
that's
go.
features floor. Oh, okay, somebody else. Okay.
Nutty Bar is not going to have it. Tanya Trade's not going to have it. Tory Trade's not going to have it. It's only here. We negotiated that deal. It's $59, no activation. Just wait till they give us the thumbs up because I guess they have to do some coding on their back end so that it's exclusively for us. So, yep, it's Funded Seat. Just to let you know, the 50K end of day drawdown, no activation is a $200 account, and you guys will be able to pick it up for $59. End of day drawdown. Did I say that? Guys, I am really jazzed about Funded Seat. I think they're going to be a phenomenal firm. Their offerings are incredible. They're really, really good people. And yep, I think we're going to see great things from Funded Seat. Let's see if my prediction is right. But from all the firms I'm promoting, I really think we're going to see the best coming out of Funded Seat. Right now, Rips is promoting them I forgot who the other one. The other ones were Tanya Trades. Again, they're not going to have the deal that we have. But
Who's
yeah, you're
Tanya?
going to Tanya Trades. I call her Tanja. But
It is
I think I'm
Tanja, the
making a
blonde girl,
mistake.
ICT?
Yeah,
It is
I don't
Tanja.
think it's. Yeah, I don't think I'm making a mistake. I think it's with Kellyanne. Some futures trading with Kellyanne. I think I made the mistake. Anyways, I know it was one of the girls. But yeah, they're going to be picked up by a lot of people. But no one's going to have the deal that we have. Oh, how come they're not going to have the deal, Mike? Why are you so special? Because I'm not telling you what I gave them. Maybe I'll tell you guys what I gave them eventually.
Did you give them your soul?
Almost.
Oh my.
Oh my God.
I don't think you're allowed to say anything, Mike.
I don't know, but
I'm just saying, just careful what you say.
huh?
I'm just saying, careful what you say.
Oh, yeah. No, yeah, I know. Don't want to be. Anyways, like I said,
In
we did. You
positive
know how I
terms,
always tell you guys. Hold on, let
Mike's
me
always
finish it.
looking out for you guys.
Yep. You know how I tell you guys, you do nice for me, I do nice for you. Go check out my boy's stream, and I'll remember it. Go chat in my boy's stream. Go sub in my boy's stream. I'll remember. TEA Martin. There's a few others of you. Poppy, I see you guys going in there. Trust me, I'll remember. And it was the same thing with the firm. I did the same thing. It was you scratch my back, I scratch your back. So they said, okay, Mike, we'll scratch your back. We'll give you that $59 deal. And now I have to do for them.
So yeah,
Who's racist, TEA?
in terms, Big Mike is always looking out for you guys. Ugh. Always with my
In
man rooting
terms.
for the comeback. Martin, I took a little loser.
What's my lowest account? Let's get a trade in. Hurry. Oh, if we break the high. Broke the high. There we go. No longer my lowest account. Now let's switch. Those are easy trade, guys. Honestly, what I'm just doing there, playing all my lowest accounts, moving them up. That's something I'm going to show you guys also in the $100 club. How I do it. They're very low risk trades, and they usually call a decent move right now in this kind of volatility. You get what you see in the ATR, right? What's the ATR right now? 60. So I can expect a 30-point move. 20, 30 points when I'm getting into that thing. Just make sure you stop out if you're wrong. That's all. Take your 20-point loss and hit the next one because the accuracy is very high. And that'll take care of you. It's the law of large numbers. Take 10 trades, 8 will be winners, 7 will be winners. Take your 1 for 1.
You don't always get what you want.
You don't always get what you want. Yep. Angry Ace V3 is at almost 1600 if this is a winner, I think. Can we hit it? Blow on it. I don't think it's going to go in this case. I think it's going to miss it, go up. It's going to make you wait for it, which is going to give us an opportunity. Okay, I'm going to take a 1 lot here based on the Angry Ace. Early. Never early is a good idea.
You took long or short?
Short.
Eesh.
Yeah, and that's what I said, early, not a good idea. I'm calling it. Now I'm waiting for a red candle to confirm. Now it's going to reverse. That's why early is not a good idea.
You come and go. You come and go.
Yeah, TA, I haven't had a red day in a while too. I might get it today as well. I think I had my first one on Friday after a long time, and then again today if we don't find another winner.
You come and go. You come and go. Whoa.
Isn't today to go out for a good day to go out for a lunch with my boys? Cuckleback?
What?
I just ate.
No, you guys don't want to meet at Cuckleback?
What?
I want to be hungry. I ate on stream already.
Oh shit! Wait a minute, we're streaming in the afternoon, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys, 1:30 p.m. Power Hour
Your power hour.
on both channels, DNA Trading and Futures Floor.
Were you looking at that, David? I'm curious if it was a second green there.
Yeah, I was gonna mention it to you, but it didn't look like it was gonna close anywhere near. So for now, as much as I want to see ones, I don't have anything yet. But I'm not married to longs either.
Sick, nasty soup. That's what I'm gonna have for lunch. Who wants soup for lunch? Soup is good food, but not for lunch. Should I? Should I? Would I? Could I? I should have gotten in lower. Push, 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 push. I'm gonna take a long. This is a bad trade. Why do I take a trade that's a bad trade? I don't know. Compulsiveness. Do not even think of copying this trade.
Creative
It's
wealth
terrible.
style of trading. We do ICT concepts. We built our strategies based on his concepts. We use SMTs, time cycles, a little bit of everything.
Break the high. There we go. Now we can see maybe a push, hopefully. That's where I should have entered. See, all the early entries were lousy. I like what I'm seeing on CVD. CVD looks like it's trying to push. The bot's going to switch sides. I gave back money. Okay, can't all be winners. Shut up with the Ben Gay and the
What is Ben Gay? Well, I don't even know what that is.
Ben
Am I
Gay.
too
I think
young?
it's like A535. Tiger Bomb. Tiger Bomb. Tiger Bomb. Think of it like Tiger Bomb. Yeah, think of
Yeah,
it like
think of it
Tiger
like
Bomb.
that.
Or maybe it's preparation H. Mike, I'm in
Yeah,
the
but that's why I
waiting
said I
room.
don't like mixing strategies. You should have one or two strategies, separate your accounts, and keep it simple, you know? The simpler, the better.
There's only one problem, TEA, but being in the waiting room. I'm not even in the server. I'm in a private server with my boys. I'm not on futures floor. If you look, all the rooms are empty. You're the only one in there.
David, not bad if this candle closes above, right? Order block for
I
value
don't know,
gap.
to be honest. We're not doing much movement and we're not getting any bullish structure. I really want to see us start to break
We
above
came, we
highs
souped
before I
all the
take it.
lows. Look at that candle, 11:15, souped all the lows into the last leg. Last for value gap in the leg too. It looks pretty clean, to be honest.
I'm not 100% convinced.
If it was a nice bullish candle. What am I looking for, Martin? To be honest, I'm not looking for anything specific. I'm just hoping we get some type of SMT at a key level, or I get my other trade set up, which is a soup and a closure above the previous candle body. Above or below, depending on where the soup is.
Soup is good food. Any bias?
Any bias? For now, I'm leaning a little bit more towards bullish, since we came back down pretty strong and we took out all these lows already into the last for value gap of the leg over here. But we will see. What's your
Dave, you
bias,
see it the
David?
same way?
I don't know, for me that shot down is pretty horrendous, but NQ it's a pretty dumb move. I don't know, nothing crazy yet. Nothing's catching my eye. I don't have a bias. I'm just gonna see what price is respecting, what price is disrespecting, and make my decision from there. Target any side of liquidity. I don't have a specific bias for today. But the fact that we didn't start to push up and we're just consolidating, we could easily just stay here all morning and in the PM will make a move. I don't know, we'll see. Nothing crazy yet for me. Price hasn't done nothing since 10 o'clock. The only thing that worries me is that 15-minute fair value gap that we respected on the 15-minute, the 15-minute bearish at 945. If NQ wants to go lower, it could. And leave the 930 fair value gap as a breakaway gap. It's very possible.
Long, short, short. Wait for a red candle. If I expand it, that's a red candle. But remember what I said. I don't want to ever expand to see. If it was coded, it probably would have went short. But I like to see an obvious. See another one. Not obvious for me. That's the obvious. CVD is going down. I love this trade. I think there's potential in this trade, even with the market going against me right now, tiny bit. CVD is still going down.
What's CBD?
Cumulative volume delta. It shows if my money's coming in or out. I'm nervous because I'm a little overexposed on this trade. I don't want to see it going green. No, now I got to get out and manage the loss. Shit, got away from me. Got away from me. CVD, cumulative volume delta. It measures what money's coming in on the ask and or going out on the ask and coming in on the bid. Or no, coming out on the bid. Sorry, when sellers are hitting the bid, it'll go down. When buyers are hitting the ask, it adds that volume. Oh, we gave back quite a bit on Hungry Ace. Let's see. Let's get a green bar.
I was gonna ask you again, David, did you like it there? If that was a green candle.
Break the high. Beautiful.
Yeah, maybe if it closed above the high at 11.24. But bro, my best trades are when price moves and has good follow through and there's good momentum. Not when we're consolidating. I want to get out of this little range here. And hopefully I can catch either a continuation or a reversion. Doesn't really matter. I need some good follow through and I need some movement. We're not really going anywhere.
Over Mike. I don't get that. Over Mike. What happened to the market? I don't know. What does that look like on the daily? I forgot. Well, on the daily, we did put in a lower swing high, eh? Is this the beginning of a down move? Let's watch if we break the 50. The 50 is obviously, if you know anything about the markets, it's the top moving average there on those three. 50, 100, 200. Strong environment now. 50 over the 100, 100 over the 200. Fanned out. I'm gone for 2 hours and it tanks. Yeah, you
It
missed
almost sounded
everything.
like you're doing the storage wars. 100, 150, 125, 125, I got a 125, 175, 175, I got a 200, 25,
Storage
25, 25, and
wars.
sold.
I was
Is
actually
that
gonna
even
say that
still
too.
on, Storage Wars?
I don't know. I haven't heard about it in forever.
Who was the good guy? The little one, Dan.
I don't remember. I don't even remember one name. I was so young.
I think it was Dan. Took a shitty loss. Colin. I hate losing trades. I know everyone does. But you know, when you take a lot of trades, eventually you're insulated from the feel of losing trades. Now what gets me on tilt is multiple consecutive losing trades. Like if I'll take 5 or 6 in a row, that's bad for me now. But 1,
Yeah,
2,
the size of the candles are criminal today. Bedtime. Good night, AD. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite.
yeah, take care, AD. See you in the evening broadcast. Yep. Good night. Good night. Hold on. I think I have something for you. I didn't put it. The Kumbawa from Omnius. Can't play it. Okay. Good night, Kumbawa. Or Kumbichi. I don't remember what that was. Have a good sleep. If anybody's confused, AD lives in a different part of the world.
Where does he live? It's bedtime for him right now, so he must live in like Japan, China,
In the Orient, yeah.
Philippines.
Australia.
Fill of beans.
Full of beans. He's full of beans. When he says good night, it really means he has to go make.
AD
Uh,
is in Japan. I have no idea. Where is he from, Mike? You know? Do you remember?
who?
AD, where is he from?
Yeah, AD's Japan.
Oh, he's from Japan, for real.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay, cool.
Made in Japan. No, he's not made in Japan. You want to know where he's from? Montreal. I forgot to tell you that. You didn't know, eh? Al?
What?
AD's from Montreal.
So why does he say bedtime?
Oh, no, he's not there now, but he's from Montreal.
Oh, okay, he's from Montreal, but he's not there now. Okay, okay, I get
Yeah.
it.
I think he was a Brassard man or a LaSalle guy. Guys, go and check out DNA Trading. I just posted you a whole bunch of links. That's not a link to my Discord. That's a link to DNA Trading's live stream right now. Hit the sub, hit the like.
Yeah, price isn't doing much at all, huh?
Who's DNA Trading? It's those two guys. That's not a double image you're seeing there. That's twins,
Oh,
and
twin.
twins. And they're also going to be on at the Power Hour at 1:30 p.m. So that's the voices you hear in the background. We don't have a camera feed yet. We're working on it. You know how expensive cameras are?
Cameras, oh my God, it's funny you say that. I just started to look at like what the people that do like photography and how expensive are cameras. But there's cameras
Yeah.
like 100K, 150K, 70K cameras. What are they using for cameras?
Diamond lens.
Yeah, that's absurd.
Yeah, insane.
No, it has
Yeah,
to be some special brand of camera that they just upsell the camera because they're famous as a brand.
yeah. I spent $39.99 on my camera. I was pissed. I'm joking. I'm joking. Good vibration in the markets. If you don't get a rug pull, you can play the vibrations. Like there was a vibration up.
What a good show Dexter was.
Yeah, Dexter was
Dexter,
phenomenal.
no, lie to me.
Vladimir was good
Nah,
too, but Dexter was better.
Dexter's better.
No, come
Yeah,
on.
Dexter. You didn't even watch Dexter. How are you saying no? Come on.
I
He
watched the
did, he did,
first
he
three
did.
No,
seasons.
you didn't.
Oh, it just got better and better. Dexter was great.
Dexter is amazing.
Joking, really? There's a show actually out there that gets better and better as the seasons go on?
Yeah, Dexter was very
Dexter's
good.
very good.
That's rare. Usually a show gets worse and worse. The first season, you got the great story, everything. I think there's some opportunity here for a really good scalp. I can't let it go.
Why you running? You run.
Can't let it go.
You run.
The bot is long. We came really close to the stop. It'd be silly not to have taken it. Pulled out 25 points on that one. Come on, guys. We need 2 more subs. Let's get them up to 70 today.
Yeah, we got a couple subs today. Cool.
More
Let
subs
me,
and I'll shake some ass.
yeah,
Oh,
we're gonna
that's
shake some
crazy.
ass. Go over to their stream. Sub.
No, 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 no. Whoa,
No, no,
whoa.
no,
You
not you.
you shake your ass.
We're gonna shake their ass.
You're gonna break a hip.
Look at
I'm not
Pope
shaking.
Alando. Please, no.
You guys are shaking, not me.
Mike's gonna
Oh
shake
my
some
God.
ass. You're gonna get a whiff.
We got band bouncing here too. We got everything. We got confluence, guys. You know that fancy word, confluence?
Yes, sir.
We got confluence. You can't not go up with all this confluence.
Oh, what horrible price action, to be honest. But it
Not
happens
for
like this
me.
sometimes after a big move. I'm just hoping lunch 12 to 1 doesn't bring a whole huge move.
Mm. Okay, sweep on next. Let's do a rotation. 1 account at a time. Every account is now over $200. Next target, every account over $300. Bullinox is at 1364. I think I'm going to stop. That's enough for one day. That one started at, well, it's plus 1364. I started trading that after the open today. That's my best account, I think, eh? Yeah. Ah, it's too bad we can't go for lunch. I would have enjoyed it.
If this swoops the high, I'm gonna try it short again. So see what he has.
What does that mean, soups the high?
Same highs. If it closes below the 1132 high, depending on the size, where is it here?
Ah, sweeps it and then closes below the high.
Yeah. No, I'm not gonna touch it here. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, Leon.
Some strength, eh?
Yeah.
Again, I didn't mark off both charts here, but I am noticing this for anybody that wants to pay attention. This is MES, as you can see, 5-minute chart, NQ. Let's get the same time frame up. Let's bring the blue right to the end there. What are those 3 dots? This is MES, MNQ right at the end. There we go. So this is the same thing. That's MES. And this is MNQ. Obviously, MNQ is a lot stronger. So that encourages me to, oh, I know what those 3 dots are. That's funny. That encourages me to take the NQ long if I get a setup on a scalp.
The candles are so big, you have to be so careful.
Mm. Mm. Like a schmuck, I took a counter trend scalp.
Bro, I can't be hearing you 4 times every morning saying you did this, you did that. Stay in check, follow your rules. Not
That's
that
what I told him
difficult.
to it. Like, it doesn't even make sense. Oh, I'm gonna
You're
enter in
like a
here, looks
child.
good. What do you mean, looks good?
Well, I didn't identify. I'll give you know how long
Okay,
the
okay, I don't even
sentence
want to
would
go
be.
into this conversation now. It's when
Yeah,
he
yeah,
hits
me
you with, I
neither.
have this strategy and
Yeah,
I
yeah,
did
yeah,
this.
yeah,
No,
yeah, yeah.
no. I'm just saying I can't bring everything up because then if Omnis is going to say, "Hey,
He's
give
trying
me
to
a chance
cope.
to talk."
Trying
You
to
know,
cope.
if I'm going to identify everything. So the people
Because
who
a lot of times
trade,
we hear, "Oh, I shouldn't have taken. Oh, I shouldn't. I should." What do you mean you
oh, I
shouldn't?
mean, yeah, those are bad trades.
So stop taking bad trades. You shouldn't. So
Uh,
stop doing it.
I'm
How many times you
trying.
shouldn't?
I'm
I
trying.
hear I shouldn't 5 times a day. What does that mean? What the fuck are you trying for? It doesn't sound like you're trying hard.
Well, what it is it's like, you're
No,
a
what it
race car
is that you're
driver.
not
You know
your
how to take, let me finish. You know how to take the turn fast, but you're trying to take the turn faster and tighter. So you're
no.
trying something.
He has so many trades, so he gets lost in his own thoughts and tries something because he thinks it's good.
There you go. That happens too.
Absolutely horrible.
That happens too. But what can you do? I'm
But you
not a
stay in
machine.
check. You use your mind. You stay in check.
The mind gets tired though. Look at the time. The mind's tired. Hey, it's my birthday week. Be nice.
Bro, birthday week. Birthday week's over. You said birthday week last week.
No,
This
birthday
guy's
was
using it
this
two
week.
weeks in a row.
His birthday was 2 days ago.
He got him pizza last Friday. He said it was his birthday week. Now it's his birthday week again.
No, for pizza, it's his birthday year. If it's for pizza,
Birthday
it's my
week.
birthday year. Let me
I've
have
heard,
pizza.
I've heard birthday week. It's been like 14 days already.
And
Yeah, and
Father's Day
Father's Day
month
month.
too.
No, 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 no
Father's Day
Father's
month.
Day. I never milk Father's Day. I hate Father's Day.
What do you normally milk?
Oh, you're so mature.
If the mind is tired, it's time to close the charts. Yep, this is when the damage is caused. I say it often. But then my mind says, see, that's the part I say, do I do this just for the money? No, I don't do it just for the money. It's the challenge. Because right now my mind is telling me, okay, if the mind is tired and you make mistakes, how do you fix that? Yeah, close the charts is one way, but is there another way? So I like to explore. I'm curious. I like to know things.
Curious George.
Every little bit of information helps. You get better and better slowly. You can never reach perfection. Hey, human error. We can eliminate that. Uppy is up $500 on one funded and $300 on a new APX funded. You got this morning from Lovely Futures Floor Eval won last week. Wow. So you're up on the funded from the account you won. Good job, man.
That's fun when you get an account and
Yeah,
you
yeah,
for
yeah,
free
yeah,
and
yeah.
you do well on it. Bro, these candles are explosive.
Yeah, okay, I think this is my last trade because my brain is saying stupid things.
Bro,
Mike has like that devil in his ear.
Yeah, you want to know what the devil is
zero
saying?
composure. Zero absolute garbage composure. No discipline.
The voice in my brain is saying, you're done so well today, you can afford to.
It's absolutely ridiculous the way your mind works.
Yeah. So I have to get out of this trade and then just call it quits.
Weak-minded individual.
As long as we don't
Okay,
get,
David, man.
as long as we don't get,
It's not that hard. You have your trades. You take them or you don't. You want to do stupid.
yeah,
He's
no, this is loosey goosey already. I'm just hoping I don't get too hurt on it. I need a green candle before it stops out.
No, you do stupid. You deserve to get burnt.
Oh, come on. Don't put the kibosh on me. Here's the green
No.
candle. Here's the green
I tell Alex the
candle.
same thing. I tell Alex the same thing. You do stupid. You deserve to get burnt, and you deserve to get
Uh,
burnt bad.
no green candle. It's going lower. I'm going to be red. Well, red is good. Christmas colors. Wait, here's a green candle. I'm not stopped out yet.
It's a black
And
candle.
one day you'll tell yourself,
Red.
maybe
Again.
I'll follow.
Fuck off. Oh, green. Now we got to break the high. Break the high. Be nice. As CBD.
Everybody runs their business differently, well. Yes,
This
sir.
This CBD is not being nice to me. I'm going to get killed on this one.
Wow, there's a lot of sell side, David, huh?
Green.
Yeah, but I'm not
Break
going
the
to find
high.
a trade here anyway. I think I'm going to go up and start making my breakfast.
Break the high.
My beautiful breakfast.
We broke the
Now we're going,
high.
now we're going up.
Yeah, no, broke the high. There we go. There we go.
Going
Okay.
back up again.
I saved from being red.
See, how does David know it's going to go up?
Me too. I just happened to know a little earlier. No, that was a stupid trade. That was hey, let's gamble because I have so much green on the board. So with that being said, I'm not doing that anymore.
Anyways, I'm
Sorry.
getting off, Alex. I'll see you in the PM.
Yeah.
Yeah, all good. It's
Thanks.
11:55. It's done for me too. I'll see you guys back in the PM session. Enjoy, David. Bon appétit.
Guys,
All right,
thanks for
chat.
hanging out. Thanks for hitting the subs. And yeah, that's it. Done for the day. Those
For
are
the
the
day, for
numbers,
the
guys.
AM.
And we will see you in the overnight broadcast at 8:30. And if you can't make the overnight broadcast, then we'll see you tomorrow for the New York session for Friday. Thanks for hanging out again, guys. Creative Wealth, thanks a lot. Appreciate it. Love that you guys hang out with me. Keep me company. Lucky JC. Love that you're still talking to me. And see you guys tonight. Take care.
Enjoy. Bye, everyone. Take care.
Bye.